Hello and welcome to the Relationships Matter video series. My name is Diana Nicholas and I'm on the marketing team here at vArmour. Today, we're going to be talking with Rich Noguera, our VP of Security Services, about how to expedite incident response in the cloud with application visibility. For all the CISOs and incident response teams out there, you'll find this conversation integral to further understand your blast radius in your cloud environments to remediate what matters. Let's get started. First, let's learn why efficient incident response is imperative to secure applications in the cloud.
So incident response at speed is super important for CISOs because once the bomb has gone off, it's you're on a time clock, right? Of how quickly can I contain the spread of the damage of that explosion, and how quickly can I prevent that explosion from spreading or increasing in terms of size. Think of it as the blast radius. I can't have the blast radius hit its maximum potential. I need to quickly see and respond as quickly as possible using a prioritized list of systems and targets that I need to fix immediately.
As a CISO, what are some challenges of incident response in the cloud?
So as a CISO, doing incident response in the cloud is extremely difficult. First and foremost, as a CISO, do I know what clouds I'm connected to? Do I know what my development teams have brought in from external clouds or external third-party code? It's very difficult as a CISO to respond to, events that I don't know about in the cloud.
How can a CISO or practitioner make the incident response process more efficient?
In the incident response process or processes, understanding what is important is what helps responders actually get the job done. Again, how do I stop the collateral damage from spreading to other key systems and key resources?
What are key questions a CISO should ask to ensure efficient incident response?
So as a CISO, there are a couple of questions you have to ask to ensure that you're taking the proper approach to incident response in the cloud. Those being, what are my applications doing? What are they communicating with? And how are they behaving?
How does vArmour make it easier for CISOs to visualize cloud environments?
Establishing visibility and visualization requires a lot of legwork in terms of log ingestion, normalization, and then building dashboards. Versus vArmour, right out of the box, has the ability to visualize through the security graph what the key targets of opportunity or the key concerns, critical infrastructure, customer databases, core application platforms that need to be secured, versus you have to build that into a SIEM. So where the security graph of vArmour really helps, again, is to qualify and identify what my crown jewels, my critical infrastructure is, so that I can quickly react and respond to systems that I care about. How do I care about that? The great thing about vArmour and the deployment is that it uses ML and AI to tell me specifically, here are the behaviors with these key databases or these critical systems that we believe are critical to you. I can qualify that and act on that much quicker than if I had to go through reams of reports on my own.
How does vArmour make it easier for CISOs to visualize cloud environments?
vArmour helps make the incident response process easier because as part of the security graph function, we're able to prioritize and quickly act on, again, critical components of our infrastructure, whether that be core databases or management systems. As we begin to extend our connector reach via Policy Manager, we can begin pushing security group policy, activity group policy, but as we go into the endpoint space, we're really beginning to build our reach into the orchestration layer so that we can quickly push and move on policy to quickly isolate and protect systems as they become vulnerable.
Let's recap what we discussed with Rich today. Today we discussed the importance of application visibility for speedy incident response, the criticality of understanding blast radius to effectively remediate, and how to identify critical infrastructures to quickly react and respond. Thanks for tuning into this episode. Stay tuned for the next episode in the Relationships Matter video series, Enforcing Compliance to Reduce Risk in the Cloud. To learn more about vArmour or download a free trial, visit vArmour.com. Thanks.